happening, beautiful people? Thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Liza Live and I'm back with a hair tutorial. Anyway, so yeah, so this is a crocheted fro with a natural leave out around the front and also around the back to allow for versatility. If you're interested in knowing how I got this done, please stay tuned and continue watching. What I have to say is this hair is super affordable. It took me just about 2.5 hours to get it done. It could take way less if you're not filming it. You don't need to be an expert to get it done. Like, it's very straightforward and you can have it in for a bit long, save you some money, and you still look really good. So anyways, if you're interested, keep watching. But before that, I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos, and if you're interested in any of that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're noted every time I post a video, and make sure you leave a comment and like this video if you enjoy it. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we're getting straight into this video. Right, so this hair has been nicely moisturized, washed, everything, you get me? Anyway, so I'm doing a leave out because I love doing updos and different styles when I have my fro. So yeah, this will help me to be able to do that. You don't need to do this step. If you don't like that, you can absolutely tuck all your natural hair away if you wanted to. This is me braiding it away at the front and at the back. Make sure you get the hair behind your ears as well if you're going to do your updos, to make sure that you have that extra hair covering that side. And now what I'm doing is dividing my hair into different parts to help me to be able to make these braids nicely. These braids do not need to be precise whatsoever. It just needs to be nice and firm so you can easily loop through them and attach the extensions onto it. Now this is what it looks like when it's all done, and what I go ahead and do is re-braid all the ends into one long braid and tuck it away. You don't necessarily need to do this as the extensions will be covering it, but I like to do that just for that extra security. Now this is the hair pack that I used, but you can use any crochet braids out there depending on the style and style of locks or style of curl pattern that you're going for. Right, I think the best way to learn this is to actually have a look, but I'll give it a go in terms of trying to explain how to do it. Right, so you take the hook, I'll call it, loop it through your cornrow, right? Attach the extension to it, pull it through, and open the hole and basically make a tie. I don't know, I don't know if it's a really good way to explain it, but yeah. Your girl is feeling herself because she finally covered the whole head, okay? So she's currently taking out the natural bits that was corralled away, and this is how it's looking like, blended nicely into the extensions. Wow, it looks like it's growing from my scalp. Can you see this? Anyway, so I'm just cutting up the hair, and this is the desired length that I went for.